Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the GasBuddy app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to find the cheapest gas around you. How do you actually go ahead and use the GasBuddy app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to use it, let's first go ahead and download it. And then all you've got to do is click on Find Gas. And what this is going to do is that it's going to find the cheapest gas near you. So at the top hand side, you have different filtering options where you can filter it by distance, price and distance. You can filter it by price, so it will show you the lowest price. I normally keep it on deal price because I like to find gas that's near me, but still at a pretty good deal. So as you can see here, the Sam's Club is about 0.7 miles away and the gas price is $3.50. So with GasBuddy, I use this all the time in order to find gas for my car. But you can use the different filtering options to make sure that you filter it by price or distance. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and use the GasBuddy app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.